So again, good evening to all of you. So today, this is a first class, introductory class of the semester 1 MEd. So here I want to tell you about the, semester 1, what will come in the semester 1. So Samuel, PPT nazar aa rahi hai?
Yes, yes, we are able to see it.
Okay,
Yes.
right. In your semester 1, guys, there are 4 papers in semester one paper philosophy of education, second is psychology of learning and development, third is educational study, and fourth is introduction of educational research and stat. This is your theory paper. Okay, in my next slide, this is your practical work. In this practical work, you have to make for this semester one synopsis of whatever the research problem. Okay, because in the fourth semester we have to present a one thesis. एक thesis, एक dissertation हमें deposit करवाना है fourth semester के अंदर, right, which is divided into the 4 semesters. पहले semester में हमें क्या करना है, what we have to do in a first semester, we have to submit the synopsis, right? This is our practical work. Otherwise, these are the 4 topics which we have to cover, right? Now my next slide is the marks distribution. Okay, paper will come on 70 marks. 30 marks is for your internal assessment. 70 30 70 30 70 30 70 30, right guys? This is the
Okay,
pattern of,
sir.
हाँ ये आ रहा है आपको, सारा समझ आ रहा है,
Yes,
नजर आ
sir.
रहा है
Yes,
सब?
sir.
Okay जी, good. Next slide is the pattern of MEd papers. Sisters and ma'ams, this is the pattern of your MEd paper. There would be a 3 section. Section A, there would be a 4 question. Out of a 4 question, you have to attempt 2 question of 10 marks. Again, section B, 4 questions, you have to attempt 2 question. And section C is compulsory of 10 questions. Each question carries the 3 marks. 30 marks आपके ये हो गए हैं, तो टोटल आपका 70 मार्क्स का पेपर होगा, राइट? ये तो it is about your MEd semester 1. Now guys, what we will offer, we will offer you, as the Samuel has said to you earlier, we will already given you the books on each subject of MEd. Second, we will provide you notes of every topic of MEd. Third, we will provide you online discussions on every MEd topic. And last, fourth, we will provide you last year solved question paper. Sister, this is an important thing which I want to tell you about. If you want to go to in detail, so then you can attend my lectures in every Sunday and you can go through the book. If you don't have the time, so then you can learn from my notes. And third is that if you have no time, then you can only learn the last year question paper, solved questions paper, which we will provide you before 10th of February, right guys? और लास्ट जो मेरी स्लाइड पे नोट पे लिखा हुआ है, प्रोवाइडिंग एवरी संडे कंप्लीट हार्ड बाउंड कॉपी आपको हम प्रोवाइड करेंगे अप टू द 10th February, राइट? सो मैं स्टार्ट करता हूं अपना लेक्चर. ये आपका इंट्रोडक्टरी लेक्चर था. एक बार मैं आपको फिर दिखा देता हूं. आपके इंट्रोडक्टरी लेक्चर के अंदर 4 पेपर हैं आपके, राइट? और ये प्रैक्टिकल वर्क में एक हमें रिसर्च सिनॉप्सिस बनाना है. 4 papers divided into the theory marks and practical marks. 70 theory, 30 practical, right? This is a pattern of paper, right? I start with my first slide. Philosophy of education. So I'm going to discuss the first paper, philosophy of education, right guys?
Okay, sir.
Okay, good. Philosophy of education से पहले you should know about the philosophy. What is philosophy? Philosophy basically it is derived from the 2 words. One is philos and second is sophia. The meaning of philos is love and meaning of sophia is wisdom. So the meaning of philosophy क्या हो गया? Love for wisdom, यानी कि ज्ञान के प्रति प्यार. वो लोग जो ज्ञान के प्रति प्यार रखते हैं उनको फिलोसोफर कहा जाता है. As said by the Plato, a philosopher is one who has a taste of every sort of knowledge and curious to learn more and never satisfied, termed as philosopher, right? So philosophy, what is philosophy? Philosophy means love of wisdom या ज्ञान के प्रति प्यार. Bertrand Russell has said that philosophy, like all other studies, aims primarily at knowledge, right? My next slide, what is the need of philosophy? As the René Descartes, there is a renowned French philosopher, René Descartes has said that it is not enough to have a good mind. The main thing is to use it well. आपका अच्छा दिमाग ही नहीं होना है एक टीचर का, लेकिन उसको हम कैसे यूज करते हैं, दिस इज मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट. Guys, you all are teachers, principals. I just want to tell you that unless or until you don't have the philosophy knowledge, you cannot teach better to the student. As the Rabindranath Tagore has also said that. Rabindranath Tagore did a lot of work on education. He said that teacher should be a friend, philosopher, and guide. Right? So, third slide is scope या areas या branches of philosophy. This is most important, sisters and ma'ams, you have to understand. There are three areas या three branches of philosophy. One is metaphysics, second is epistemology, and third is axiology. Right? Metaphysics, what metaphysics does? Metaphysics basically, it talks about the theory of reality. Metaphysics is derived from the two word meta plus physics. Physics means हो गया materialistic word, and meaning of meta is beyond. What is happening beyond this materialistic word? So this metaphysics tells us. Second, epistemology. Epistemology is the second branch of the philosophy which talks about the theory of knowledge. Means from where we get the knowledge, what are the sources of the knowledge. So these all the things, knowledge kahan se aati hai, sources kya hai knowledge ke, we learn, we discuss under the epistemology subject. And third is axiology. Axiology means theory of values. Jitni bhi values hain, we talk about truth, beauty, goodness, whether when the baby borns, it comes with these values or we learn from the society. So these three branches or three areas या three scope of philosophy is most important. Unless or until, guys, if you don't have knowledge of this metaphysics, epistemology or axiology, next जो topic है आपके लिए मुश्किल बन जाएंगे. तो आपने ये first वाला topic understand करना है. You have to understand first slide about the philosophy. These three things of branches, areas या scope of philosophy: metaphysics, epistemology or axiology. Right? My next slide talks about the what are the metaphysical questions. Right? What is metaphysics? Metaphysics basically talks about what is reality, what is God, whether the God exists or not exist. Okay, what we are, our actions are free or not, what is time. So these all about talks about under the metaphysics. Right, guys? Second is epistemology. As I have said to you, epistemology talks about theory of knowledge. How we get knowledge, knowledge kahan se aati hai, what are the sources of knowledge. These all things we talks under the topic of epistemology, which is a second branch of the philosophy. Third is axiology. As already told you, truth, beauty, goodness, these all are values. Just punctuality is also values. Okay, from where we get these values. Right? So guys, we are done with philosophy. Right? What is philosophy? It comes out of the two word philos plus sophia. Right? Love of wisdom. Second topic, we are done with scope, areas या branch of philosophy. Three areas, branch and scope of philosophy. One is metaphysics, second is epistemology, third is axiology. Right? In my next slide, we talk about education. Right? Education, as you know that it is a never. Yes.
Sorry, these other chapters, Western schools of philosophy, like Western School of Philosophy 1 and 2, what are these? These will not come in semester 1? Idealism, naturalism.
semester 1 में ही आ रही है, इसके बाद next में वहीं पे आ रहा हूँ, ठीक है? वेस्टर्न स्कूल ऑफ फिलोसफी आपको तब तक नहीं समझ आएगा जब तक आपको ये नहीं पता लगेगा, ठीक है?
Okay, sir.
राइट?
Right,
So
sir.
education, yes, I'm coming on the Western school of philosophy, but to understand the Western school of a philosophy, you have the knowledge of a philosophy. You should have knowledge of types या scopes of philosophy and about the educations, right? Okay.
Right, sir.
So educations क्या चीज है? What is the education? Education is a lifelong process of, right? It starts from the cradle and ends in a grave. Right? It is a never ending process of one's inner growth and development. हमारी सारी की सारी लाइफ जो है वो एजुकेशन ही होती है. ओके, बेसिकली 3 वर्ड्स हैं, एजुकेयर, एजुसियर और एजुकेटम, वेयर द एजुकेशन, इन तीनों वर्ड से एजुकेशन वर्ड डिराइव हुआ है. एजुकेयर का मतलब होता है टू नरिश अप या टू रेज अप. एजुसियर मतलब टू लीड आउट या टू ड्रा आउट, और एजुकेटम मतलब टू ट्रेन, एक्ट ऑफ टीचिंग और ट्रेनिंग. राइट? एजुकेशंस की 2-3 डेफिनेशंस आपने याद करनी है. एक स्वामी विवेकानंद की डेफिनेशंस है. पहले मैंने ऋग्वेद की लिखी है, एजुकेशन इज ए समथिंग व्हिच मेक्स ए मैन सेल्फ रिलायंट एंड सेल्फलेस. राइट? आत्मनिर्भर और निस्वार्थ कौन बनाता है? एजुकेशन ही. उपनिषेद क्या करता है? एजुकेशन हुज एंड प्रोडक्ट इज साल्वेशन. स्वामी विवेकानंद मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट डेफिनेशन. You can fit these definitions in any of your topic, in any of Western school of philosophy, either in idealism, either in pragmatism. Okay, Swami Vivekanand, education is a manifestation of divine perfection already existing in a man. And last is Mahatma Gandhi. What the Mahatma Gandhi has said, that by education, and I mean an all round trying out of the best. Means Gandhi has said that for educations, my mean is to trying out of the best. Education does not mean pouring into the mind of the student. In fact, we have to draw out. Right? Ab, this is the important. From here, your MEd course starts. Right, guys? यहाँ से आपका MEd course start होता है. Relationship between education and philosophy. So always you have to remember, education and philosophy are the 2 sides of the same coin. Philosophy talks about the theory and education talks about the practical. Okay, philosophy is a theory, education is practical side. Right, guys?
Yes.
अब नेक्स्ट आ गया टॉपिक आपका, ये फर्स्ट टॉपिक है आपका MEd का, फिलोसफी ऑफ एजुकेशन. व्हाट इज फिलोसफी ऑफ एजुकेशन? ओके, so my last slides were to understand this concept, what is philosophy of education. Okay, so you have understood about the philosophy, you have understood about the educations. Now tell me, what is philosophy of education? Can you tell from all of you?
Yes,
आप
sir.
अनम्यूट, हाँ अनम्यूट करके मुझे बताइए कोई भी, any of person. Yes.
Yes, sir. Philosophy of sir, philosophy of education is actually, these are the 2 sides of single coin. Like education means education is talking about the practical part of philosophy
No.
of teaching.
कौन बोल रहा है ये? कौन है? क्या नाम है आपका?
Sir, Vandana.
हाँ, नहीं वंदना. Okay, this is not okay. I'm talking about philosophy of education. You are talking about philosophy and education are the 2 sides of the same coin. You are talking about the relationship of philosophy and education. Okay.
Yes, sir.
हाँ, you are not telling about philosophy of education. Okay.
Fine, sir.
To understand the philosophy of education, I'm sharing one example with you. Okay, guys.
Okay.
Please understand the example. The concept of philosophy of education would be understood to you. Okay. There was one supervisor. Okay. Supervisor. He has to inspect the 10 schools. Okay. So what he has to inspect? He has to see the, curriculum level of the school. He has to inspect about the knowledge of the teachers, about the academic achievement of the student. So this all things one supervisor has to check. Right, guys?
Yes.
So when he visited all of the 10 schools, okay, after visiting all of the 10 of the schools, what he got that 2 schools are the best schools out of a 10. The staff of schools are best. The students are very sharp. Students were very intelligent. He came to know that वो जो दोनों schools थे, उन schools में with the help of a computer, with the help of a multimedia or internet, each and every education linked with computer, multimedia and internet, right?
Yes.
He has come to know अगर कंप्यूटर को कंपल्सरी कर दिया जाएगा बाकी स्कूलों में भी तो उनका भी परफॉर्मेंस लेवल बढ़ जाएगा, राइट? तो उस इंस्पेक्टर की एक थ्योरी बनी ना, फिलॉसफी बनी ना, कहां से? एजुकेशनल इंस्टीट्यूशन से, राइट गाइस? तो मीनिंग ऑफ फिलॉसफी ऑफ एजुकेशन इज when any of the philosophy या theory, when it is drawn out from the educational institutions, this is called the philosophy of education. I repeat again, when any philosophy is drawn out from the educational institutions, it is called philosophy of education. Understood to all?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Good. Okay. Right. Ab, now we talk about these all Western school of philosophy. Under your MEd, these are 5 isms: idealism, pragmatism, naturalism, existentialism or Marxism, right? These all 5s are called the philosophy of education. It is a Western school of philosophy, right guys? अब this is most important. Next slide मेरी बहुत important है. Okay, अब आपने ये देखना है इन पांचों के अंदर आपको करना क्या है, right? मतलब under all the isms, what you have to do, guys? Sister please, this is a very important slide. Okay, this is your syllabus,
Yeah.
right hand side. Okay,
Yes.
ये 5 isms हैं. Okay, idealism,
Yeah.
pragmatism, naturalism, existentialism और marxism. Okay,
Mhm.
और राइट हैंड साइड पे मैंने सिलेबस को मैंने लिखा हुआ है. ओके, अब इन
Yes.
पांचों इजम्स का, all the 5 isms, what you have to do, you have to study only with special reference to what is underlined. Concept of reality. ठीक है guys?
Yes.
Right.
Second, you have to study knowledge. और third, you have to study वैल्यूज. यस बोलिए, राइट? वैल्यूज. और फिर उसका एजुकेशनल इंप्लीकेशन, यानी कि उसके एम्स पढ़ने हैं, कंटेंट्स पढ़ने हैं और मेथड ऑफ एजुकेशन. ओके, क्लियर?
Okay.
ओके, आई टेल यू. फॉर एग्जांपल आइडियलिज्म है आपका. ओके, राइट? आइडियलिज्म है. आइडियलिज्म की हमने करनी है मीनिंग एंड हिस्ट्री ऑफ आइडियलिज्म. ठीक है?
Okay.
और फिर मेजर फैक्ट्स करने हैं, मेटाफिजिक्स, एपिस्टेमोलॉजी और एक्सियोलॉजी. ओके, मींस व्हाट वाज द मेटाफिजिक्स अकॉर्डिंग टू आइडियलिज्म, व्हाट वाज द एपिस्टेमोलॉजी अकॉर्डिंग टू आइडियलिज्म, व्हाट वाज द एक्सियोलॉजी अकॉर्डिंग टू आइडियलिज्म. ठीक हो गया? एंड गॉट इट? थर्ड वन इज एजुकेशनल इंप्लीकेशन. And under the educational implications, you have to study only 3 things. मतलब what is aims of education according to idealism, what is curriculum according to idealism, and what is method of teaching according to idealism. Nothing else. Okay, these 3 things you have to study under every ism, either idealism, naturalism, pragmatism, existentialism, Marxism and Indian school of philosophy, right?
Okay.
ये देखिए, with special reference to concept of reality. Concept of reality I have explained you 2-3 slides back. This is called metaphysics. Okay, if you have the syllabus, okay, you can tick mark, and if you have the notebook, you can write on the, you know, on your register. Concept of reality means metaphysics. With special reference to knowledge means epistemology. With special reference to values means axiology. Right guys?
Yes.
Yes. And educational implications may aims, content and method of educations. Okay, so under every ism, either idealism hai, pragmatism, naturalism, existentialism or Marxism, we will study 3 point. One is meaning and history of idealism. Third is metaphysics. Second is metaphysics, epistemology and axiology of idealism. Third is aims of education, curriculum and method of teaching of idealism. Right guys?
Right, sir.
ये देखो आपका सिलेबस है, अब इसको ध्यान से देखो. Please pay attention in section B. ठीक है, which is underlined. One is Western school of philosophy, idealism, naturalism or pragmatism, existentialism and Marxism, with special reference to concept of reality. Concept of reality means metaphysics. Knowledge means epistemology. This means axiology. Or educational implications, aims, content and method of education. ठीक है guys? Right? You have understood. Should I start idealism?
Yes.
Okay. Philosophy of education आपको understand हो गया? Okay. Right. अब मैं आपके before going to the idealism, I just want to tell you हमें we discuss this thing, then we will go ahead. Okay. Right.
Yes.
तो आप लोग सभी जितने भी हैं इसको अनम्यूट कीजिए, राइट? और